wanna sit down? Do some art? Yes? Oh yes. Hi. Good morning. Today I'm in my bedroom. I'm going to do a little makeover to create myself a craft corner. I just want to create a cozy corner that I can focus on creating my digital art. We were using mostly for laundry, so it's going to be my corner. Then let's start. Glad it's not too heavy. Finally, it took some time, but I was able to open it. I used this type of knife, but I was kind of scared to damage the table. It's kind of varnished. I kind of expected without a varnish. I like untreated pine wood. Table finished, but gosh, I also kind of finished. Like my hand hurts. It was harder than setting up classic IKEA furniture, but it looks cute. I'm going to do the finishing touches and probably going to accessorize around a little bit maybe tomorrow. Ideally, I thought putting a little drawer on the side, but then I thought maybe I can also put it underneath. So I'm gonna put that under there. Also going to add my white chair. It actually perfectly fits. That's cool. I didn't expect that. Okay, nice. Happy. Going to rearrange now. This is my childhood picture I put on the pegboard. This is me, my sister and my mom. I always have this particular smile when I'm very happy, which reminds me good times. I just wanted to keep it there as a reminder. These are my journals and my main sketchbook. This is I recently started junk and scrap journaling, and this one is for my morning pages. I started practicing after reading the Artist's Way book. And some colors, of course. I have this one. I was using it before having my corner. This one basically you can keep all your craft stuff, brushes, and this thing is very useful because you can put your canvas here and you can change the size. Shelf I get from IKEA to just store a couple of things. The first shelf I have paint books, bunch of stickers, and my watercolor sketchbook and some pens, inks. I recently started journaling with fountain pens. And the second one I have tools and colors mostly. Here I have some clay, polymer clay, and this one precision cutter for stickers. I'm planning to make some stickers, and I have a bunch of colors, and I really like this. This one is the photo printer, so I can print photos with stickers to use on my journal basically. And the last one, I have my yarn collection and my needles. I really love knitting. Last year I started, and these needles are great. I wanted to invest in good quality ones. They are a little bit expensive, but totally worth it. And I have like a bunch of yarns, and I have projects to use these yarns. So I have other needles I was using before this one. And yeah, I'm really excited about my yarn collection. And it's only one drawer. It's amazing. This one over here. So when I want to use it, I'm gonna put there. And this craft thingy, I don't have space. I don't wanna load the pegboard so much, so I'm going to put it over. Slowly coming together. Let's put some green. And I recently get this desk lamp. I really love the colors. I like this shade of green. Going to put it here. Some of my tools for doing clay projects. Little trinkets. I have this Harry Potter knot holder and some mini squishies. So cute, so satisfying. Look at this, so squishy. Now I'm going to show you the most life-changing thing I recently bought. It's this one. So this is basically a tablet holder while you're drawing, and it has this mechanism. So going to show you. And this pen, my Apple pen, iPad 10th generation from 2022. It's not Pro, but it's enough for me to use Procreate, and I didn't see any issues. So look at this. It fits like a glove. I'm in love with this setup. It's so cute. So useful. So overall we are ready, and this is my chair. I have a white chair so I can sit down cross-legged, and my drawers and pegboard and some plants, all green. I really love that. And then my desk. What do we think? Doesn't it look cozy? And some of my prints, and I'm hoping in the future when I'm drawing something I will fill this wall. Also wanted to put the pegboard a little bit high, because sometimes I use my laptop and the drawing station together, so I don't have much space on table. But I'm thinking I can also fill this space with little paintings sometimes. I'm very happy how it turned out, and I cannot wait for working here. By the way, I just forgot to share one thing. I also have this portable sewing machine. I recently started learning how to sew. You saw me putting those threads over there and then scissor and all, but I didn't talk about this machine. I had a top I bought. I really loved it, but they didn't have access. And I was holding on to bring it to the tailor sometime and completely forgot about it. And then I get this thing, and you know what? I can actually do that myself. So I did. And it's not perfect, but I did. Now we are coming at the end of the video. I hope this video inspires you to create your own space to do your hobbies or anything arts and craft related. I always wanted to have a corner for myself. I remember from the book I was reading, The Artist's Way, the book was also mentioned about this, having a space to get creative. And not everything in this space bought new, by the way. I had these drawers, I had those painting organizers, and this pegboard, actually my boyfriend's. It's just that I brought all the pieces together to create a nice composition. This is how it turned out. I actually finished like a couple of days ago and already started drawing here. So I guess that's a good sign. It's also kind of funny. I never really created a desk like this for creative stuff. I only had a work desk or study desk. This may look so extra for some people, but I can definitely feel the difference. And especially when you are an adult and feeling creatively blocked, having a space like this kind of gives that childlike excitement. Started feeling that excitement every day when I wake up, see this desk, and I'm just getting very excited to just pick up my journal, just use my pen, just do a little something or just sketch something. And yeah, I am growing, still learning, still discovering things about myself and how I'm going to approach this whole journey of becoming an artist. If this is something you would like to see more, you can just give me a follow and join this journey together, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.